All right, we're gonna try to get rid of these lines right here. That you guys can see some of the vein lines that I left behind from the actual putty. When you're gonna sand, make sure you use protective gear. I use this great mask because it covers my face and my eyes and my nose, of course, not breathing some of the sand. So let's go ahead and start sanding.